Hi, you are on the channel Facts About Around. Here we tell many interesting and amazing facts about our world. Like and subscribe to the channel and we begin. And today we will talk about insects. Yes, about the very ones that many of you are so afraid of. We have selected a lot of interesting facts for you. So let's go. Fact number 1. Insects are ancient. Many notable creepy crawlies have roamed the earth for millions of years. Some even lived in the Paleocene era. Meganeura dragonflies were predatory prehistoric dragonflies with a wingspan of 2 feet, or 65 centimeters. They had a hard-timed nature and regularly captured smaller dragonflies to devour. Before the appearance of modern humans, over 45 million years ago, blood-sucking mosquitoes were already on Earth. Fact number 2. Ticks can significantly change size. Parasitic insects live off the bodies of other living beings. In particular, ticks feed on the blood of mammals to survive. People find the idea of ticks feeding on sanguine meals repulsive. When ticks grow large due to feeding, their hosts are even more disgusted. These fussy arthropods have a hard time sitting still long enough to swallow their food whole. Instead, they overenlarge and bulge until they resemble a marble or rugby ball. This leads some of them to grow to the size of a grain of rice. Fact number 3. Ants have the largest population worldwide. On Earth today, there are approximately 1 quadrillion ants, made up of 12,000 different species. With such an insanely large population, these pests actually massively outnumber all other creatures on our planet. In fact, in comparison, there are only a mere 7.85 billion humans alive today. Fact number 4. Insects breathe differently. In order to breathe, all vertebrates need lungs that can inhale air. Insects, however, are without lungs and must rely on a different breathing method. They utilize tracheoles, oxygen-containing tubes, that run throughout their bodies. Using this system, oxygen diffuses from its source to the rest of the insect's cells. Fact number 5. Bonus eyes. Many insects have ommatidia, or eye spots, on their bodies that form a 360-degree image of the world around them. These are commonly referred to as compound eyes. However, they aren't the only type of eye that they possess. Many species of insect also have simple eyes called ocelli. Ocelli can be on the face or back and are able to detect light but not visual images. Depending on the specific insect species, an individual bug may have up to 3 ocelli located on their face or back. Fact number 6. Honeybees make mathematically perfect honeycomb. Bees create perfectly formed hexagonal honeycomb cells with near-perfect angles of 120 degrees. The bees arrange the wax edges in mathematical precision, forming cells with a thickness of 0.1 millimeters. This creates cells that store honey very efficiently and arrange hive space in near-perfect angles. With little effort, hexagons can nestle together without any gaps or extra wax. Each of the 6 sides of each hexagon meets the surrounding cubes, creating a compact yet structurally sound formation. No matter how tightly packed, this framework uses minimal material and space. Fact number 7. Dragonflies versus damselflies. While these two creatures look very similar and are often mistaken for one another, dragonflies and damselflies are actually 2 different species. Both are members of the insect order Odonata, meaning toothed one, but dragonflies are a subspecies called Anisoptera, while damselflies are in the Zygoptera subspecies. Dragonflies are typically much larger than their cousins with bulky bodies and a more compact overall physique. Whereas, the damselfly is so named for its far more elegant and soft appearance. Their bodies are long and spindly, roughly the shape of a narrow twig. When they are darting around in the air, it is very difficult to actually discern these different nuances in appearance. However, when these Odonata are at rest, there are several telltale signs as to which is which. Dragonflies land with their wings open, displaying their four wings perpendicular to their bodies. In contrast, with the damselflies, their wings are held parallel to their bodies and folded in together at rest. Fact number 8. Spiders are not insects. Spiders are classified as arachnida, which is a class of arthropods. They are not part of the Arthropoda class, which is the classification of insects and other related creatures. Both insects and spiders share many similarities with people use taxonomy, or the study of hierarchical classes, to identify and classify them. In lieu of wings and compound eyes, these arthropods have simple ocular heritages. They are typically segmented with two halves, unlike the three-part insects. Some spiders, scorpions, ticks, and mites are frequently mistaken for each other. Fact number 9. Insects can hibernate. While hibernating creatures such as bears enter a state of deep sleep where their metabolic processes slow to a stop, some insects go into a form of diapause. During this time, they stay in sheltered areas where they can withstand the harsh winter weather. Some insects migrate to warmer regions, while others just hibernate until conditions improve. In the colder months, some insects store up energy and remain active for up to a year. When temperatures warm, they wake up and begin producing offspring. Fact number 10. Antarctica has only one insect. The only insect found in the entire Antarctica ecosystem that does not possess wings is a wingless midge. This minuscule fly with black and purple markings soaks up the sun with its body to stay as warm as possible. Fact number 11. The largest insect lives in New Zealand. The giant weta, or wetapunga, resembles a cockroach mixed with a cricket. It weighs 2.5 ounces and is about the size of a cricket. Although it looks threatening, this insect is actually quite harmless. Fact number 11. All bugs are insects. In fact, only one subcategory of insects are classified as bugs, the order Hemiptera. This revelation should come as no surprise to anyone. To determine if an insect is a bug, look at its mouth. Its beak resembles a needle, which it uses to eat prey. Fact number 12. Insects breathe through their sides. Rather than using their mouths to breathe, insects use spiracles in their sides. Spiracles are holes that allow the insects to take in oxygen. Cool. Fact number 13. Insects have ears in random places. Insect ears aren't necessarily on their head. The ears of an insect can be found on their belly, their neck, or even their knees. That's crazy. Unfortunately, the length of this video does not allow us to tell you even more facts, so subscribe to our channel to learn even more facts about our interesting world. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.